Hello, class 4th. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, and you all have completed all your work. Okay. Students, today we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter 3, Limits of the Mind. In this story, we will be reading about a little boy who was poor, who belongs from the poor family, and who was really determined to do something. What you mean by determination? When you take an oath to do this, जब आप किसी चीज़ को करने के लिए निर्धारित कर लेते हैं कि आपको ये काम करना है. Now see what happened with Eklavya. We will read the story, follow the paragraph. Open page number 19. Yes, okay. Eklavya was a little boy born in a poor family many years ago. His people lived a little away from Hastinapur. Eklavya was a little boy who belongs from a poor family, and they live in a Hastinapur, the capital of Kuru kings. They used to clean other people's dirt for a profession. What their family do? They used to clean the dirt for a profession. Profession means to do something to earn money. For this reason, they are shunned by other society. Shunned means separated. They have been discriminated with other society. They have been discriminated. Now see, Eklavya and other kids of his group knew they too had to follow their parents' profession. Eklavya do not want to follow his parents' profession. Now see what happened. Their parents often told them, "You are not meant to go to school. What use is school for carrying garbage, which is your only job?" As Eklavya parents told Eklavya that you are not allowed to go to the school. You are just made to carry the garbage. No need to go to school. Then see, don't go near those people. You are not allowed to go the king's people. They are high born, we are low born. Eklavya did not understand. Eklavya was a little boy, so he was not able to understand that what type of discrimination is being done. Why? But why? He asked his mother. Eklavya asked his mother. She replied, "God sets this limit." Then his mother told that God has made this type of limit. Now see what happens, students. Why would God want nice things for them and dirty things for us? Hasn't God made all of us? Eklavya said. Eklavya asked his mother that why God has made this limit, because and why as God has made me also and those nice people also, then why this type of discrimination is done between them and me? She sighed. Darling, I don't know, but there are bounds we cannot cross. This is a God's rule. Then his mother replied, I don't know why this foundation is done, but this I know that this foundation is made by God. Then see, Eklavya became quiet. From that day, the only important things for him was to understand the meaning of limit. Then Eklavya became quiet, and he decided to understand the meaning of limit. Why you all students know why this word limit come? Because he want to know the why this limit and foundation is being done between the king people and rich people and from between the poor people. Then see what happened. You know, kids and grown ups are sometimes cruel. One day Eklavya and his friends trapped a little ant and were watching it try to escape. The ant tried and tried till it found a little opening at the edge of the trap and escaped. Other children moved to trap it again, but Eklavya stopped them. Stop them shouting. The brave ant has broken the bound. Then other children moved to trap it again, but Eklavya stopped them shouting. The brave ant has broken the bound and limits are meant to be broken. I am free, the ant replied. One day Eklavya saw beautiful chariots coming into the forest near his village. He saw boys of his age setting out of the chariot one by one. What lovely clothes they wore, Eklavya said. At At last, an old man with snowy white hair and spotless white clothes came out looking stern and calm. The boys seemed a little scared of the old man, but with one dusky, handsome boy. The old man's behavior was different. He smiled and patted his boy on the head. Once the chariot came in the jungle, and the Eklavya saw that some boys at the same age came, and they seemed very good in a good clothes and very beautiful dressed up. Then see, Eklavya heard his father's voice, "Come away, boy, there is work to do. Those are the Kuru's princes." The boys, those who came in chariot, those are Kuru's princes with their teacher Drona. They come with their teacher Drona. The boy he just patted in his favorite Arjuna. They have come to practice archery. Don't go near them. Eklavya's father told him, don't go to them. They are Kuru's princes, and they come to visit with their teacher Drona, and they were come to practice archery. Now see then what happened. Students, hope you all have understood the chapter, and go through the chapter till here. We will be continuing the other page in our next class. Till the time, you all do write the difficult words and word meaning in your copy. Students, come to page number 23. Be exercise, fill in the blanks. The first one, Eklavya was a little boy born in a poor family. Second one, from that day the only important thing for Eklavya was to understand the meaning of limit. The third one, the ant tried and tried till it found a little opening at the edge of the trap and escaped. Fourth one, those are Kuru princes with their teacher Drona. Eklavya carved a statue of Drona on a tree trunk. Yes, students, see the exercise C, state true or false. First one day Eklavya saw beautiful chariots coming. True. Drona smiled and patted Eklavya on his head. It's true. Third one, Drona's arrow made fire and chased things. It's false. Fourth one, there was a great war between Pandava's brothers. True. Drona said that bounds and limits are in the mind. It's true. Please do fill in the blanks in your classwork copy, and difficult words and word meanings in your copies, and we will be doing the question answers, and I will be sending you the worksheet. As till now, you all complete this work and stay healthy, and beside from this, keep connected with your studies and read the chapter, go through the chapter, and we will be continuing the next page in our next class. Have a nice day. Take care.